Good morning, guys. This is Robert from Trade the Moment. It is Thursday, January 7th. We're looking at Walgreens right now, WBA, looking to break out. WBA, we're going to go long at 44.60. We're at 44.58, 59. There's a break of 60. We're long 44.60 on Walgreens. Got a gap up with strong volume. If you look at it in the morning, gapped up, opening bar, put a high in, sold off. Right there, it's 20, and it's rallied back up to take out the high. We're long at 44.60. We have many trades long so far this morning in the room. We have NEO, DKNG as a long, and now we're going to add Walgreens at 44.60 as a long. You'll find this on the Discord channel. Go to Trade the Moment, launch Discord, type in Trade the Moment. Go to the stock room. You'll find two channels, Market Preview, which is free for all members, and you'll also find Stock Plays. Feel free to discuss stocks and find setups. WBA above 44.60. We got long. It's at 44.30 right now. We'll stay long at 44.60. Slight pullback from the high. It just made a high. Got some volume. We could just push up. I think Walgreens will have a good morning. Also watching DraftKings to the right. And NEO. NEO, we're looking for, we're long NEO at 53.60. We're looking for 54.20. We're looking to take this high out of 14. We're taking 3/4 at 54.20 on this trade. And we will move the stop up on the remaining quarter. Same for Walgreens, 44.60. Looking for a break into the 45s and maybe 45.20. We'll take 3/4 of this trade down. Dow's still up 100, Nasdaq up 188, Russell up, the S&P's up 33, and the Russell's still up $1.60. IWM small cap up 164 from yesterday, and we need a break of 44.60 where we went long on Walgreens here, and we need to stay above 53.60 to stay green in NEO. Lots of money rotating, lots of money shifting with the political events we had in this country. From the Georgia Senate race, Baba selling off. Again, constant under pressure, making new lows. Every time it tries to pivot back up, making new lows. Not a bad idea to short Baba. It looks late, can't find really an entry. Hate to short the low of the day, but not a bad idea the way this thing keeps selling off. This may not be a bad short. I'm going to call Baba 2 as a short. I hate to short the bottom of the day, but until it makes a new low, 222.50 will be a short on Baba. Post that in the room on Discord. Baba short 222.50. We'll look to make a quick trade here if we can get under 222.50. This is not triggered yet. We're looking for 222.50 as a trigger. Here goes Walgreens 44.58. We're in at 60. We're looking for 45.20. I'm sorry, guys. WBA, take 3/4, 45.20. Move stop to break even. You'll find this on the Discord channel. There we go, 44.78. We need 45.20 for 3/4 of this trade to be profitable for 60 cents, and we'll move our stop up, our entry, which was at 44.60, and then we'll move our stop up to 44.60 on the last quarter. We have a short out there on Baba at 222.50. We're getting close to it. This will become a live trade. Here it is. Baba's a live trade at 222.50. When we close this one, we won't take 3/4 and leave the quarter. Traditionally, that's what we'll do. We'll take this whole trade down because we're pretty much really under pressure. So we're going to look for 221.75. So close, hold, close. Baba 221.75. We're at 88, 85, 80, 70. Went right through that 71. So Baba's out. Close Baba. Baba's a winning trade. Wasn't a bad trade at all. We got 79 cents out of Baba. Didn't take a lot of work. We just caught Baba breaking lower. We left a lot on the table, obviously, but for us it made sense when they pivot up, pivot back down. Made a looking for a new low at 222.50, and we got out of the total position at 221.71 because Baba has a tendency to spring right back up. So rather have it spring up and be in the trade that we were uncomfortable with because it was constant lows in the day, we like to short pivots when they fail. So this one looked like it failed, and then we said 222.50 here. It pivoted again and broke, failed. So this was an excellent short, but we didn't want to see it pivot right back up. We don't want to overstay our welcome. So this was an easy trade. We were lucky to catch it. This I caught on the low bar, trading lows higher than low bar of the day. This constantly was making lows, so it was on another screen. And at 222.50 we got short, and it went down to 221.09. This stock eventually came down $1.50. We got out with a 79-cent winner. So we are right at that stock. Neo, we're still in Neo at 53.60 was posted in the room on Discord on the trade the moment. 53.60. The stock ran up and then came back. So we are currently underwater with Neo. We have Walgreens that we called out. We took 45.20. We have 3/4 of this trade set to go on Walgreens. We're long 44.60. We have 30 cents in the money. We're looking for 45.20 to take 3/4 of this trade out and then move our stop up to where we paid, and that was 44.60. So this is another trade that needs one more green bar to get us 3/4 out. But we're paid on Baba and we're trying to get paid on Walgreens, WBA. See, if you go back to Baba, for you guys that are new, you see when we got short, we were looking for a quick trade and we got it. The reason we took it looks like we did leave money on the table, but if you don't get out at that precise moment, it springs right back up, you see? And then you go from 80, 90, 70, 80, 90 cents green to 50, 60, 70 cents red, and now you're in an uncomfortable position because you're underwater 50, 60 cents, but it could be $2 in a matter of another minute or two. Baba is the type of stock that could jump $1 and $2 in a minute, in half a minute. So you need to know what you're trading, or the moderator that's trading needs to know what he's trading. Baba's the type of trade that when it goes, you got to actually catch it, and under a sell-off like this, any given bar could jump up, and it can cost you $1. But Baba still looks weak on the day. Still looks like a good short. We took our money and we were right at Baba. Baba was an excellent trade. We shorted it at 222.50, which was the low. It pivoted up. It failed. Short 222.50. We covered at 221.71. Gave us 79 cents. So we'll move on for that. We'll visit that one later. We're still waiting for Walgreens. It's at 44.89 right now. Printing 87, 89. We're long Walgreens at 44.60. We are trying to get 45.20 for 3/4 of this trade up here. So we'll stay on Walgreens for 45.20, and we'll let 3/4 of that trade go, and we'll get paid and move our stop up to protect our capital. We're at 93, 94. So let's just keep an eye on Walgreens now. It's a live trade posted in the room. The Dow now came back a little bit. It's backfilling. It's up 83. The NASDAQ is still extremely strong, and so is the SPY. There's a look at the NASDAQ. Gapped up, based, and now it's looking to take out new highs. This is a beautiful channel. You can go long above this channel, and you can use this as a stop. I am not going to trade that right now. I'm currently in 3 other trades. One I'm looking at right now to try to take some profits is Walgreens. We're in at 44.60. We're channeling, basing to the higher end. We're looking to break out of this and make a new high on Walgreens. Walgreens now is up to 92, so we're going to watch it sit tight, and we need 45.20, and that would be our second winner of the morning. Very important that you look at technicals, and the technicals of Walgreens is you're above VWAP. Have them on another screen. You're above VWAP. Every bar on a 5-minute time frame, on a bigger time frame, is green. Here we go. We're at 8. We're at 9. Look at the tape down here to the right corner. We're looking for 45.20. I'll move this out of the way now. 45.05. We need 45.10 for a high, and we should pivot right to 20 with no problem if we can take that out. Here comes the high. We're looking for a pivot above it. There it goes, 12.19. Here's the 45.20. We talked about a higher. You can exit here at 19. It's okay. If you get 22, 21, that's okay. But this will be a 60-cent winner. We're looking for one more pivot up to take that high out of 20. For those who didn't get out, and I'm not sure who would have gotten out of 20. It's a tough number. Just pivoted up. But 13's okay. 14, I mean, I like to see 45.20, 3/4 of the trade gone. The last quarter would roll. We're moving the stop up to break even, which would be 44.60. Here we go. So we're out of Baba at 40. We're out of Walgreens at 45.20. Entered at 44.60. So we got an entry here of 44.60. Out 3/4 at 45.20. Move your stop, put a stop in place now. Put a stop in place at 44.60. That's where we entered. And this is 3/4 out at 60 cents. This is a winning trade. It's in Discord. We posted it. So now we're looking at a few other ones. But so far, this was an excellent morning. We took some profits out of Baba. We closed the whole position, and Baba's recovering. We were short Baba at 22.50. We got out of Baba at 221.75. 222.50 short. 221.71 was the actual cover. So Baba was the 79 cents winner. We closed that whole position. Walgreens, we got long at 44.60 on the break of the high, which was 44.60. At 45.20, we closed 3/4. We're now putting a stop in at 44.60 for the last quarter on what we paid. And we'll let this run. And we'll move the stop up in the room as this moves up. Okay, guys, that's it for now. I'll be in the room trading all day. You can catch us at Trade the Moment. It's on Discord. Trade the Moment, and go to the free stock channel.